Hello friends, today we will discuss on the topic self-development. It's really important because what we have we can give to others and what we don't have we cannot give to others. Self-management is a very vast topic, so we will take it step by step. Self-management has three aspects. First is the mindset, how we think, what we believe. Second is the skill set, how we act, the best ways, the effective ways to work. Third is the habit set, how is our routine, how disciplined we are to follow our mindset and skill set on daily basis. Let's discuss today on mindset. Mindset is very powerful. Everything starts with the mindset, either positive or negative. Everything created two times, first in the mind, then in the reality. We will try to understand the mindset with the help of word management. Management is a combination of words, man plus age plus men plus T. We always manage this word M, the money, machine, material and the market, etc. But we forget the one important M, man, ourself, our mindset. If we clearly observe this management word, and people also say the man comes before men, means ourself comes before then others. अगर हम खुद को मैनेज नहीं कर सकते तो दूसरों को मैनेज कैसे करेंगे? So to manage ourselves, we will take the clue from the second word of management, that is age. It teaches us the art and the method. Age here does not mean biological age, physical age. It means courage, sahas, self-belief, atam-viswas. Like we have courage to tell others what they should do, why they should do, how they should do. Same way we can manage ourselves through courage and self-wisdom. My words are effective when I become an example. I am not always listened to when I am giving corrections and suggestions to someone. In order to get more effective, get my words more effective, I need to practice them in my own life. Then my words will have the desired impact on others. Let's take the example of our tongue. Can we manage our tongue effectively? किसी ने बहुत सुंदर कहा है, हमारी जीभ में हड्डी नहीं होती, अगर सही से इस्तेमाल ना करें तो हड्डी तुड़वा जरूर सकती है. If we cannot take responsibility to manage ourselves, how we can take responsibility of our life, our family, our work? So we must have courage to control, to manage ourselves by developing our mindset. Another meaning of age is experience. Yes. And someone has rightly said, experience is biggest teacher. But in today's creative world, we cannot depend on the work we have, depend on to work with only our past experience. We need to understand new manners, new techniques, new perspective in this changing environment. इसलिए किसी ने सही कहा है कि हमें लकीर का फकीर नहीं बनना चाहिए. See the situation with new perspective. If you want to work with the old ways only, then there will be same results, even worse also. और मेहनत करने के बाद भी परिणाम क्या होगा? ढाक के तीन पात ही रहेंगे. Let's take an example here. In running, there was 4-mile mindset and rule. What does it mean? Means we need 4 minutes to run a mile. And there were many research and theories on that human body is capable to run 1 mile in minimum 4 minutes. And if we try to do fast, it will break, our joints will break. Those were the theories. But somehow one athlete break this record. And to everybody's surprise, in next 6 months, another 9 athletes break this record. How this happened? This happened with the change in our belief system, change in the mindset. It indicates everything is in our mind. If we can think on something, we can achieve that. So saying this, so we must manage and develop our mindset, our belief as per new perspective with courage and creative experiences, and think of new ways, new possibilities, new horizon. And this raises our awareness and provide clarity where we want to go, what we want to achieve. And with better clarity, we can think better and take better actions and get and achieve our success. So develop your mindset by using courage and creative experiences.